Hey campers, today I was going to do pizza over the campfire there, but as you can see the weather, it's gotten a little breezy and there is supposed to be rain on the way. So that might not be such a good plan. But I do have a different plan for our dinner, and that is we're going to cook under my tarp there. So it's a good thing you have a tarp when you're camping, right? So let me get seated and we'll tell you about what's going to happen. Okay. So what I'm gonna do for tonight instead is have tuna casserole. And I like it because I've got all ingredients that don't need refrigeration or cooler. So everything is shelf stable. I've got some egg noodles. I got cream of mushroom soup. I've got that shelf stable milk. And then I've got some tuna, of course. And then lastly, there's some crackers to put on top. Okay, I rearranged things. Got a windscreen up there. The water's come to a boil. And so there's 4 cups of salted water there. Just add these egg noodles in. I got 1 cup here. That's enough for 1 to 2 servings. Of course, you're gonna have to drain these noodles, you know, and so you've got to be prepared that for a way to drain them. Luckily, this GSI set, each of the pots, the lids for them has drain holes right there, so you can drain things out. That's pretty slick on this GSI. I know I keep talking up this GSI cook set, but it really is for a small portable set. It's just can't be beat. Okay, these noodles are almost done. All right, we got the noodles drained. Now we can just add our cream of mushroom soup. So we got the 1 cup can. I need a 1/2 cup of milk, this is 1 cup in this little container of the shelf stable milk. Put about half of it in there. Now all we gotta do is get this heated up and mixed up. And can't forget the tuna. And then we're just gonna add the tuna in here. Okay. Let me get that lid on here. And I'm just gonna heat that on low for about 10-15 minutes. All right, it's been simmering for a good 10 minutes and it's heated all the way through real well. Like I said, I would have liked peas in there. I love frozen peas, but I can't stand canned peas, so I'm not gonna put canned peas in here. And I did stir this once in a while as it was simmering, but it looks and smells really good. You know, this is just a classic comfort meal, right? And quick, easy. I don't know, sounds like everything you'd want camping. I'm putting it in a bowl. You could put it on a plate, but you know, it's gonna kind of move around on the plate and whatnot. It's just as easy to do it in the bowl. I gotta get my crackers right here. I'm gonna take about 4 of them and just crunch them up and sprinkle them over. Pretend that they're baked with butter, right? And then all I have to do is get my spoon, that I just dropped on the ground, get another spoon, and I can go over here and sit down and take up the view while I'm eating. And I don't think I can do this one-handed, so I won't be taking a bite, but I'm sure you really don't need to see me taking a bite out of it. But there it is, campers tuna casserole. Good old comfort meal. The crackers on top is a nice touch, gives it that little crunch in there. So anyway, hope you might enjoy this video and maybe you'll do it too. And in the meantime, I'm gonna kick back and watch nature.